Do you have a cracked computer screen? To repair your broken computer system and replacing the cracked screen, you need to take professional assistance. When you are in Glendora, visit your nearby iTech Xpress store. It is a reliable and certified computer repair service store that offers factory-grade repair solutions for damaged computer systems. Their team of trained and experienced computer repair technicians offer free repair estimate after thorough diagnosis of the broken device. They always try to repair back the broken computer within the same day. They have a great stock of genuine spare parts so that the screen replacement process can be quick. And the best part is that their guaranteed computer repair service is available at affordable prices. So, stop wasting your time. Contact them at 626-777-4747 to schedule an appointment. For more details, browse through https://xpressinc.com/.